Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel iOS. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix your iPhone hotspot not working. Well, there can be several reasons for this, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you need to check is whether your airplane mode is turned on or not. If your airplane mode is turned on, you cannot use your mobile hotspot. So in order to turn it off, what you're going to do is go to your settings, and after opening your settings, you can see airplane mode right here. You can see it is currently turned off. If it is turned on like this on your phone, all you need to do is tap on this toggle button and simply turn it off just like this. So after making sure that your airplane mode is turned off, the next thing that you have to make sure is that your cellular data is working. Here you can see on the top right corner of the navigation bar, there is the network connection, and my network connection is super good and it has shown a good signal. If it is showing no signal or less signal, that can be a problem for your hotspot not working. So you have to make sure that your cellular data is working fine. If it's not working fine, you might have to contact to your service provider. So after doing that, the next thing that you might want to do is simply just now go to the personal hotspot, for which you'll have to first of all turn on your cellular data. So first of all, I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi. So after doing that, now I'm going to tap on cellular and now tap on cellular data just like this. And now we have opened our cellular data. Now we're going to go back, and here now we can tap on personal hotspot. Here you can see my personal hotspot is opened, and now what we're going to do is simply just tap on allow others to join toggle button right here and simply turn it off just like this. So after doing that, again tap on it and turn it on just like this. So what it's going to do is simply just restart the personal hotspot, and now you can check whether it's working or not. If it's still not working, the next thing that you might want to do is simply just first restart your iPhone, for which you can simply click on your volume up button, volume down button, and after doing that, keep pressing on your power on button until you see the Apple logo. Then it will automatically be restarted. So even after restarting your phone, if it's still not working, the final thing that you can try is simply change your device name, for which you can go back to the main settings. And on your main settings, tap on General. And after doing that, tap on About. So after tapping on About here, you can get all of the information of your phone, from where you can tap on the name that you can see in the top right here. So after tapping on name here, you can see currently my phone's name is iPhone. You can change it to anything. So there are no requirement of any drastical change. You can simply just even add a number just like this and change it. So after you have done that, you can tap on the done on your keyboard. And then here you can see now our name has been changed. And like this, you can change the device name and try to see if the hotspot is working or not. And yeah, after doing all of these process, I think your hotspot should be ready to go. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.